This is a balcony that has been recently decontaminated and cleaned from bird droppings and pigeon guano. The presence of birds can bring many public health risks in terms of diseases which can be passed on to humans. So it's very important to have a disease-free living environment. This property too is just about to go for rental. There'll be new tenants coming into it, so there's a risk of liability in terms of new occupants coming into the property. This is part 2 of the cleaning process, the actual cleaning process. Also provided is a certificate of decontamination approved by the Department of Agriculture, as we're licensed by the Department of Agriculture to conduct this kind of work. For a free environmental survey to assess the risk of pathogens or disease at a similar property, please contact Ecologica Environmental at 086 812 0435 or visit ecologica.ie.